Welcome to Preform Line Products feature focus video for the installation of the RAPTOR protector on a double crossarm construction. In order to complete the installation of a double crossarm construction, you will need two standard RAPTOR protectors. Then you will need to know your center-to-center distances of your insulators. The RAPTOR protector can accommodate center-to-center distances from 6 inches all the way up to 22 inches. Now you will need to determine your center-to-center distances of your insulator. Measure the crossarm center-to-center to get your distance. In this case, we have 11 inches. We will then go to the ground to modify the RAPTOR protector for application. Now I will demonstrate how to modify the RAPTOR protector. In this application, we have an 11-inch center-to-center distance. If your center-to-center distance is different than 11 inches, please refer to our application procedure for proper modification. In this application, for our 11-inch center-to-center distance, we will modify the first RAPTOR protector at the number 2 location by cutting it at the transition point. We will then take the second RAPTOR protector and at the number 4 location, cut it also at the transition point. I will demonstrate how to cut the RAPTOR protector. We finish cutting. You will notice that the number 2 will snap over the number 4 location as such. I will then take these up to the pole to demonstrate how to install them on the crossarm. Now that we've modified our RAPTOR protector, take the first one furthest away from you, snap the end over the conductor, and snap it into place. Next, take the second RAPTOR protector and snap that over the conductor. You will notice how the two RAPTOR protectors snap together in the center. Next, you will take the 4 round eye lock pins included, snap those into each hole. This completes the installation of the RAPTOR protector on a double crossarm construction. PLP tip. In the event that additional security is needed, drill a 3/8-inch hole through the overlapping center section and a round eye lock pin or cable tie can be installed.